everyone, it's me, Mrs. Groner, and today we're going to be reading words that have the sound. Look, when two O's go together, they can make a few different sounds. Today we're focusing on when they make the sound. Do you see my throat move when I make that sound? Isn't that strange? Yeah. I kind of have to make that sound with the back of my throat. And notice how my mouth is open when I make the sound of the O's. I just kind of move my lips a little bit and my throat moves. Yeah. When I add a K to the end of it says ook. Notice how my throat's moving as I say that word. Yeah, great. Let's go ahead and blend sounds together to read words with the sound. I can't wait. Okay, I'll mark under the words and the sounds with the color. When you see that color go under the sound, read the word with me. Ook. K. Look. Book. Took. Cook. Foot. Hood. Shook. Good. Good. Okay, do you think we can read those words now without having to blend all the sounds? Let's try. Good. Hood. Cook. Look. Took. Foot. Shook. Book. Great job. Thanks for reading all of those words with me today. Remember, when two O's come together, one of the sounds they can make is So when you see words with those two letters, say Thanks for reading with me today, everyone. I hope to see you again very soon.